In a few minutes, you'll have access to in-demand, high-quality, over-the-shoulder instructional video content you can use to learn, teach, or sell, or to keep your members subscribed to your video learning center, and so that you can be positioned as an educator in your niche, with no work at all on your part. What is the title and the topic? Watch your productivity with Windows 11. Using Windows 11 for increased productivity. It comes with everything you need to market yourself and the course. High-quality, over-the-shoulder instructional tutorial videos, sales material, source files, and sales graphics. And a super high-value limited time bonus, resale rights to our over-the-shoulder video course, the PLR Setup Masterclass. This bonus course comes with videos, marketing pages, and graphics to rebrand and position the course. You can pick and choose videos from this bonus course to supplement the main video course. Now, if you've listened this far, you already know the value of solid video instruction created by a veteran trainer and internet marketer. Let's briefly review what you're getting. A complete course with over-the-shoulder videos, the same companion course with MP3 audios, machine video transcripts, sales pages and sales videos, e-covers and sales graphics, lead page and lead magnet. Resell rights to the PLR Setup Masterclass with MP4 PLR videos and source files, sales pages, and sales materials. Hit the Buy Now button. Start downloading and using your content. Hit the Buy Now button.